Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing well, and it's a great joy for me to have another class today. So today I will show you that how can we make a big chicken out of egg within one day. Big chicken out of an egg within one day. Do you think is it possible? A big chicken you are getting out of an egg within one day? Can we get it? Yes or no? If we are unable to get a chicken, big chicken, out of an egg within one day, how can we expect that within one day your life full of misery, full of problems, struggle, tension and all those things, within one day you'll be come out of it? Now this is the very, I don't know what word we can use, but this is the very weird kind of thinking of all of us in now this particular time. Okay, because what we think is, if I listen a video, if I listen a motivational video, my all problem will be gone. I'll be come out of everything and I'll be very steady and all good things will take place into my life. Now practically, my dear brothers and sisters, it's next to impossible to come out from your problems and struggle within one day or within few hours or within few days or within few weeks. It will take time. Day by day, slowly, you will come out of those particular things. Listening motivational, it's good. It's very, very good. But that listening motivational will not take you out from that particular problem within one day. Listening a motivational speaker will not make you come out of that problem within one day, even within few days, even within few weeks. You need to put some certain things into practice. If you listen a person is speaking, a person said, a motivational person has said, okay man, we need to be happy, we need to be happy, we need to be happy. But you need to remind yourself every single time when you are getting sad that you need to be happy. A few days back, I think I watched a movie. In that movie, the dialogue was, all is well, all is well, all is well. It's a process of reminding yourself. You need to remind yourself, yes, it's good. Everything is good, everything is good, everything is good. Now this thing will not take place within one particular day or few days only. Why I am bringing this particular topic today with all of you is our youth, today's generation, they are expecting great motivation within 1 minute of shorts or 30 seconds of shorts. It's next to impossible, friend. Please, if you are thinking that after watching 30 minutes of video or 1 minute of video, you'll be motivated and become Einstein, it's next to impossible. It's listening. After that listening, let me tell you the whole process of motivation. Okay, motivation, many types of motivations are there, but here we will talk about listening motivation. Okay, you are listening somebody is giving you some advice, somebody has shared some motivational story to you, you heard it. Now, unfortunately, in these shorts and small reels kind of era, what happened with us is we expect everything in a very short. Okay, within 1 minute I need to listen everything. Don't do that way. If you want to come out of a struggle, give proper time for that. If somebody is saying something, listen properly. If somebody is saying something, after listening that, wait for a while. Keep your phone aside. Think on the topic that you have heard. Just try to meditate upon that particular topic, that what actually being said over there. What were the words? What were the teachings of that particular person? What that person was teaching to you? What he or she was telling? What was the story? What was the behind story? What are the things? What are the consequences of happen in that particular story? We need to understand it. I'm listening a motivational video, and soon after motivation a sad story is there. Soon after motivation a marriage song is there. Soon after motivation some DJ music is there. we will be not motivated. It is simply like we are wasting our time with the mobile. We are not getting motivated. If you want to get motivated, don't do that particular thing. If you do that now, you will never in your whole life will you finish. Your whole life will finish, but you will not learn how to get motivated. If you want to get motivated, if you want to learn what motivation is all about, you need to give time. When you heard a paragraph or certain things, a story you are listening, listen it well. Okay, many times somebody has said this particular statement that we are not listening to understand, we are listening to speak, we are listening to ask. Don't listen in that area. When you are listening somebody, when you are listening a person, when you are listening somebody saying something, listen it well. When you listen properly, then you try to understand those things. Try to understand that what are the corrections that you can make in your life. Listening motivational audio will not bring you out of that particular struggles and problem. You will feel good, very good, and after that you will forget everything. If you want to come out of your problems and struggles, you need to listen. After listening, try to understand whatever the words, what the story or what the teachings were all about. After that, you try to understand what can you do with your own life. How those particular story is practically implementing in your life. How you can put that particular story into your life and just try to understand the situation. See, now this we learn it. Okay, we know this particular part actually. Yeah, we learn it. I'm sorry, my mistake. It's not learn. We actually know it. Okay, when you listen a sad song, okay, a very sad song, like when I was in youth, that time some singers were there. They were singing only sad songs. Okay, and a broken-hearted person, okay, they were listening those songs and oh man, they will listen that song, remember that person, and they were in their mood only. That time it takes place when we listen emotional kind of things. But just to think about the practical motivational, we are not seeing the practical motivational teaching in that way. We listen, feel great joy, and after that, finish. Unfortunately, as I have said, our habits, scrolling, that is also there. So it will not make much impact. It will not make. Okay, because either you can learn or you can just scroll it. If you want to learn it properly. If you want to learn, listen properly. If you want to learn, if you want to do something in your life, whatever you have heard, try to put into practice, into yourself, into your life, into your practical life. Unless and until we don't put those things into practice, will not come out of it. Now, my dear friends, as we are listening this particular thing, let me tell you, if you want to grow in your life, you need to have certain kind of boundaries. You need to have certain kind of things that you need to practically put into practice into your life so that you can develop. By listening and scrolling, you will not come out of it. You will listen thousands and lakhs of motivational speakers, but still you are at the place only where you are. If you want to come out of it, don't just listen. Try to understand. Don't just listen. Try to think that what are the things where you need to make the corrections. Okay, correction is also very much important. Okay, because when we listen certain things, don't just listen it. Try to correct yourself. And not only correcting for 1 minute or sitting for 1 minute and thinking that okay, I'll correct it. No, I am correcting. And it's not 1 day process. If you are thinking coming out of depression is a 1 day or 2 days process, no man, it will take time. But it will gradually, you will come out of it. And for that, nobody else will come. I already said, nothing from outside will come and grow you. It is within yourself, you need to grow yourself. Okay, so my dear friends, definitely we have learned something. Definitely it's a complicated topic, and we'll be listening some more things about this in future. But thank you very much for watching my videos. God bless you. Take care.